You'll notice that the calculator that's available in Rise is very similar to a basic calculator or another online calculator. So if you wanted to utilize some of these features, you can just use your keyboard to type some of the numbers as well as some of the symbols. Like I just used my keyboard to type 5 plus. So you can certainly do that, or you can click 5 plus using the screen and click the options that you want. Notice they have a fraction option. So if you want to type in a fraction like 2/3, you would click that icon and then it would let you put a 2 for the denominator, and then you have to either arrow down or use your keyboard to go to the denominator to put in 2/3. So you can put in a fraction. You can also put in exponents. So if I wanted to put the exponent 5 to the third power, I would type 5 and then click that button. And you'll notice that it creates a superscript. It pushes it up, and then I could type in the exponent that I wanted. And then I can use my arrow key to arrow down so that it's no longer in the superscript area. That way, if I wanted to add, for example, 6, that I could put that in my expression, 5 to the 7th power plus 6. And I can use those arrow keys on my computer, my keyboard, to navigate around those. Notice they also have options that you're used to seeing, like add, subtract, and then this dot, we know the raised dot is multiply. So they don't have the X symbol because they want you to only use X if you're using it as a variable. So you have add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You also have less than, equal to, and greater than symbols. This is our fraction button. This is the exponent button. These are parentheses. You can also use your keyboard, though, to type in parentheses. And then this last one is the absolute value bars. So if I wanted to write the absolute value of -5, I would type the absolute value of -5, and then I could, oh, excuse me, I didn't say out loud what I clicked. So I can click the absolute value button, then type -5 or choose -5 from here, and then click that absolute value bar again. Or the other option is to click that absolute value button, type your -5, and then arrow past it, and then add the next part. So I use the arrow key to arrow to the right of the bar, and then when I entered another symbol, then it went ahead and closed out that absolute value system symbol. So you can certainly do that as well.